Good morning everyone. How are you all students of class 3? Once again, I welcome you all in my SST class. Children, as you all know that we are studying chapter 3, our country, India. Okay? In this class, I am going to discuss with you all physical divisions of India. So, in which we have to read about mountains, plateaus, northern plains, desert, islands and peninsula. So children, when you look around India, you see mountains, northern plains, plateau, desert and islands. These are the physical divisions of India. Okay, so what are physical divisions of India, children? Mountains, northern plains, plateau, desert and islands. These all are called physical divisions of India. Okay. So children, first of all we will discuss about mountains. First physical division of India. Okay. We will start our class from mountains. Okay. So children, what are mountains? Let us come to know about mountains. Mountains are very high areas with steep slopes. In the north we have the Great Himalayan range. So children, what are mountains? Mountains are very high areas. Mountains are very high. Okay. They are very high areas with steep slopes. Their slopes are very steep. Steep means here straight. Okay. Mountains are having straight slopes. Okay. In the north, children, what we have? We have the Great Himalayan range. Okay. We have the Great Himalayas in the north. Okay. As you can see in the picture, in brown color you can see, okay, the Great Himalayas. So children, here also you can see snow covered Himalayas, the picture of a snow covered Himalayas in the north. Okay. So children, what are mountains? Mountains are very high areas with steep slopes. Okay. This range has some of the highest mountain in the world. Children, this Himalayan range has some of the highest mountain in the world. The peaks of the most of the Himalayan mountains remain covered with snow throughout the year. The peaks of Himalayan mountains are remain covered with snow. Okay children, as you can see in the picture. The highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, is also a part of the Himalayas. Children, the highest mountain is Mount Everest of world, okay, which is also a part of Himalayas. Okay, Mount Everest is also a part of Himalayas, which is the world's highest mountain. Okay, Mount Everest is world's highest mountain. Okay, so children, its height is 8,848 meters. Its height is 8,848 meters. Many rivers like the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow from these rivers. Okay, flow from these Himalayas. Many rivers like the Ganga and the Brahmaputra also rises in this Himalayas. Okay, there are some mountains in the central and south India too. Children, there are also some mountains in the central and south India. Okay, the Satpura hills, as you can see in the picture, the Satpura hills are in the central India, while the majestic, the impressive Nilgiri hills are in the South India. Okay. So children, where are the Satpura hills? The Satpura hills are in the central India and the majestic, impressive, very huge Nilgiri hills are in the southern India, in south of India. Okay. So children, that's all for today. We will meet in our next class video with another topic, northern plains. Okay. Till then children, must take care, be safe at home. Bye bye and thanks for watching my video.